After 20 hours trying to break free, a Guillemot chick's first view of the world is this. It's like peering off the top of the Empire State Building. But why be born in such a dangerous place? This Icelandic cliff is inaccessible to most predators. But in just 3 weeks, it will be time to leave the nest. Her bond with her parents is already strong. Her parents talk to her inside the egg. These early conversations ensure the newborn already recognizes and trusts Mum and Dad. Her parents work tirelessly to feed her up in preparation for the journey ahead. And now this cliff-top home that protected her has been discovered by ravens. Predators kill up to 70% of chicks, and parents are almost defenseless against the threat. This time, the chick gets lucky. But she needs to leave before the ravens return. The problem is, without adult feathers, she can't fly. Her father encourages her to jump. It's a vertical drop of more than 100 stories. But trusting him completely, the chick takes a leap of faith. The chick's flapping seems futile, but it's just enough to slow her down and steer her away from the jagged rocks. Her downy feathers softened the landing. This seemingly impossible journey is vital to her survival. Now out at sea, Dad can lead her to food.